The Frisco Police Department is proud to show off its new annex to residents.
I am super excited. I am glad that it's finally open, that we can start enjoying it.
This is actually my first time to actually see this annex building myself.
Mayor Jeff Cheney enjoyed hosting coffee with the mayor at the police department's newly completed addition.
When we first moved into this building in 2006, the first time I walked into it, I was like, we are never going to fill this building up. This is huge. Here we are opening this annex today. That obviously is a testament to the incredible growth that we have in Frisco.
The 20,000 square foot annex stands just north of the main building off Stonebrook Parkway.
We want to make sure that our facilities highlight our brand here in Frisco and really illustrate that we support our police officers.
The new building houses part of the department's fleet and created workspaces for specific divisions. Those who service the vehicles and radio systems will office in the annex, along with SWAT, the Traffic Division, Animal Services, and K-9.
It's a beautiful facility, and this is just showing the growth of the city.
Really excited about finally opening this building, and I know our people here at Frisco PD are really excited about it as well.
We faced a lot of challenges along the way, but we made it. We got the building completed, and we are very proud of it.
There's also a new training room and the gym relocated, allowing it to be twice the size it was in the main building.
Officers are really excited about the gym.
I've never seen the gym used so much. I see a lot of smiling faces, a lot of activity, so it's been absolutely great.
And when the gym moved out, the locker rooms expanded, giving each officer his or her own locker with room to grow.
Having enough lockers for everybody is a game changer.
Plus, the original briefing room is now larger and can hold nearly 50 officers. The expansion and renovation cost about $12 million and was paid for with voter-approved bonds.
I'm real excited about this project for our first responders. This is taxpayer dollars hard at work. We're proud as a community. Our citizens have always supported public safety in every initiative.
For the city, it really just demonstrates the support that they have for public safety. It's a sign that they're investing in us, and we certainly want to pay it forward to them and continue to provide excellent service to our residents.